Recycle your posts that did really well by attracting more traffic. Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. Social media marketing hack number 6 is to recycle your posts that did really well and attract more traffic. There's absolutely nothing wrong with recycling your old posts, and that goes a long way towards building great traffic and thereby making more sales for you. However, you should take into close consideration not to recycle posts that still have active discussions and engagements. It will look so desperate for you. I generally will wait at least 1 month to bring back a well-performing post, but occasionally I'll break that rule when a post hit really hard and fast and now has completely been dead for several weeks. One ought to be keen to only recycle expired posts that did great when they were still active, though I have also brought back posts that did nothing when I initially released them, only to see them take off when they were brought back. You will need to experiment with this concept. You can also reintroduce old posts by including new relevant links on them. As such, one can promote a different aspect of a product or a service using an old post that seemed to attract more engagements as compared to other posts. You will be amazed at the enthusiasm in which social media users will receive a recycled post. Once interesting, always interesting. This will never change. Stay connected to me, subscribe and hit that little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Until next time, life is good.